Hello guys, today we are down in Daventry. We've got this 2007 Vauxhall Astra VXR. Now this is actually a 3-stage carbon clean that we're doing today for maintenance purposes, which is absolutely great stuff. That's what we recommend. So I think this guy's heard of it, seen it on Facebook quite a lot. He's decided to go with it, test it out. I believe it's his first carbon clean on this vehicle as well. So this, again, with the age of the vehicle, 57, I do imagine this is probably the first carbon clean that the vehicle's ever had. Anyway, yeah, we've done the stage 2 process for the injectors and the injector solution. We've done the EGR and turbo 2-in-1 intake cleaner for the EGR and turbo side of things. We're just on the hydrogen clean at the moment. We're going to let that run for about 30 to 45 minutes. Probably we go about 45 minutes on this one, just because of the age of the vehicle and the mileage as well. I think it's pretty high mileage, so again, if it's never had a carbon clean before in its life, I can imagine there's quite a bit of build up in there.